again and again. I have some questions you have to ask yourself. It's, you know, these are important questions. You have to ask yourself. It can help you so much. Hello, my friend, dear Unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. When are you the most inspired, most motivated, most charged up? How can you make your life more meaningful? You know, uh, starting now, today, what are your core values? What are some of the biggest the biggest things you've learned in life to date? I mean, until now. Where are you living now, right now, in the past, and where are you love to live in the future, and why? Is there something you're still holding on to? Is it time to let go? Are you living your life to the fullest right now? Do you love yourself? It's too important. Do you love yourself? If yes, why? If not, why? How can you love yourself more today and in the future? Oh, today is more important. Oh, oh, who are the 5 people you spend the most time with? What is your inner dialogue like? About those 5 people I told you, are these people enabling you or holding you back in life, or motivate you, or giving you amazing feelings? You have to think about it. It's too important. What are you passionate about? And what inspires you the most? What is your life like today? Are you living the life of your dreams or not? So what are you doing? So, dear Unique, ask these questions from yourself. Okay? Thanks for watching. Write a comment for me, like, share this video. My videos, share and subscribe to my channel. And always remember, there's only one you. You cannot take someone else's place, and no one can take your place too. No one. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Ashe. Amira Rani. Bye.